Your next car could be the 2019 Honda CR-V. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.